Hi everyone, it's almost end of the year. Let's talk about my year-end KPI booster. We had a very busy time in the first half of December. We deliver about 7,000 ton UCO to our client. Due to tight schedule and weather, some shipping was delayed. But good news, we finished all this delivery uh, in on December 9th. Today I got a new order of 800 ton from one of my client. In this contract, our client set the delivery time as January 2024. But I hope we can supply this before end of the year or maybe in the beginning of January. It depends on the production in our factory, the available volume in the tank terminal, also the boat schedule. I'd like to talk about typical items in a UCO contract. That's their price, specification, quantity, and delivery time. Most of the time, our price are based on August price. Usually, we sign long-term contracts or LOI, letter of intent, with our clients. We will discuss price before each order with consideration of August price and also some other factors. As we know, the biofuel feedstock price change time to time. Market fracture fluctuation is normal for any large volume commodities. In the left, we can see the price curve in this year. On the right, we can see the daily price. And in this case, is the August price on December 20. When we see the other factor, it could be our uh, our predict price in the near future and also the prediction from our client because the cost for our material also depend on the our supplier as such as restaurant or some other suppliers, and it actually is very hard to do that, and sometimes our will is different from the will of our client, so we try to negotiate with each other. And some other factor that both of us cannot foresee, and I can give you an example. During the pandemic and during a period of time when everything looks better and we think everything will become normal, both us and our client thought of that. But suddenly, that outbreak in the east of China, and then all the government tight healthcare measurement. Uh, Finally, we negotiated with the local government in our factory and also the government in the port. So they agree our delivery can go from point to point. But however, when the truck come back, the driver need quarantine for 14 days. What that mean? That mean each driver we pay them extra 14 days, hotel and food, salary, all this. So only economic way is hire less truck driver or trucks or truck drivers, and it put quite big task for drivers, and so we only hire two or maybe I can't remember, but much less than we should be. So they just keep going and uh, they go from factory to the terminal and come back and then go again. And Yeah, it's very hard for them and also for us and also especially for those truck drivers. Fortunately, we finished that delivery and with million thanks to our truck drivers. But however, it is we do have delay and also we have some actual cost, and both us and our client understand that, so they compensate us in the next order. I try to explain what does the other factor mean when we talk about the price. Specification in I compare the Argus normal UCO specification and also 800-ton order that we just got today. They are similar, and sometimes they order similar to premium, Argus premium specification, and also some other client have special requirement like metal or whatever they want, chloride. Yeah, if you have special specification, let us know. Quantity, and usually our client want plus minus 2%, but they are quite they're not that tight, and because we deliver in trucks and every truck, if we use full capacity, that save the shipping cost, and if we have less cost, also save our clients money. So if we have a little bit over 2%, in most of the cases they're okay. That's um, that's the most common item we discussed, and but that they also have some other things in the contract I like to mention, like normal terms, and oh, we can discuss later. And here I just want to explain the formally I mentioned available volume in the tank terminal and also boat schedule, because in one order, in the past order, we send our truck based on requirement from our client to tank terminal, but suddenly because the delay of their boat and the misunderstanding between tank terminal and the boat and our client, and suddenly they cannot unload our truck. So our truck driver have to wait outside of the tank terminal for more than 2 or 3 days. And we understand that it all this I don't want to say mistake, but miscommunication happened, and we try to cooperate, and uh, also a million thanks to our truck driver, and they also try to cooperate with this situation. They stay outside of the tank terminal yard for a couple of days. Uh, you know it's quite hard for them. They cannot leave truck for a long time, and they can order food, but it's still you have other needs. And yeah, it's very tough. I'd like to explain some other things in a normal truck in a normal uh, in a normal order, and we talking about the long-term contract or LOI. In that in this negotiation before the order, usually we talk about general terms and conditions. And most of our clients they try to use this international commercial terms, and some they put their own document, and we go through item by item. Most of our clients, because it's in biofuel industrial, they ask for sustainability items like traceability or the document and all the delivery firm from when we deal with Chinese government and also their local government, like the they call uh, uh, um, um, original certificate. I just cannot remember the term. And but all this all these small things we will discuss before each order or before we can sign the contract. Okay, thanks. And it's close to the year end, so if we don't see each other, Happy New Year.